In this question, it says find the points. We have to find the coordinate of a point which is on the y-axis and whose perpendicular distance from this line is given as 3. So what we know here that any point on the y-axis, let's say this is point P, and I took this is on y-axis. Any point on the y-axis is in the form of 0, y. Now let's say if I make a line here, this being the line, and let's say the equation of this line is given as 4x minus 3y minus 12 equals 0. And the perpendicular distance of this point from the line, right? This is the perpendicular distance which is given as 3. So let's say if I take this as PL, so PL is given as 3, we have to get this point. Now we are going to apply the distance of a line from a point, and the formula is distance is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C under root A square plus B square whole modulus. Now replacing this distance, which is 3 in this case, so I'll write 3 here, and then AX1, that is X1 is 0, so 0 into 4, like the A is 4 here, B is minus 3, and C, that is minus 12. Now, if I apply this, what you can see here, that is the distance, which is 3 here, is equal to AX1. So we can see that what is A here? Figure out, this is X1 and this is A. So its product is going to be what? 0 into any number is 0. And then B, Y1, that is minus 3Y, and plus C, which is minus 12 over whole under root A square plus B square, that is 4 square. 4 square plus 3 square minus 3 square. So 4 square is 16 and minus 3 square is positive 9. Now I can do what thing that, let's say if I write this as minus 3y minus 12 over, this is 25 and under root 25 is 5. So now let's make some space first. Now for further solving, what I'm going to do is, right, if I remove this modulus sign, there will be plus minus 3. So it's plus minus 3 is equal to minus 3y minus 12 over 5. Now, as you can see here that we have two possible values here, that is 3 and minus 3. So first I'm taking 3 here. In that case, what I'm going to get the y as, I'm going to get 5 into 3, that is 15. So it's minus 15 is equal to minus 3y minus 12, transposing minus 12 to this side. So it's minus 15 plus 12 is equal to what I'm doing. This is positive 15, right? Is equal to minus 3y. This is how much? 27. 27 divided by minus 3 is equal to y. So y we got as minus 9. So we got the value of y here. And now similarly, I can replace this with minus, now taking this value. We had two values here, that is 3 and minus 3. So it's going to be minus 3y minus 12, that divided by 5. If I transpose, it's going to be minus 15 is equal to minus 3y minus 12. Minus 15 and plus 12 will give you minus 3. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 again, that comes out to be y as positive 1. So we got two values of y here, that is positive 1 and negative 9. Now I can once again show you this is 1 and this is the other values. So now we can say that the coordinate of y here, as you know, the y coordinate is 0, y. So we can say there are two possible values. So say if I take p here in case, so it's either 0, 1, or it's going to be 0 minus 9. So these are the two possible values.